Yeah, so my country people, I throw a salute. I beg if you know say you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button. Chelsea 2 and Arsenal 2. We get Oga Obama, will be Ogbonge Chelsea fan, Ogbonge football fan, make us tell us about how you see this game. Oga Obama, this game, the way the game they go, me and you sit down near each other. It can't be like, say, I don't win this game or I don't go out with 3 points. But just small time remaining for the game to finish. Things come dabaru for Chelsea. How you see this 3 points, which Chelsea can't throw away 2 points for inside for today's performance?
Well, from our normal expectation from house, the best result we get. But from when we see the first half to the end of the game, na failure, na disappointment. We dey disappointed. But from house, I pray for draw and I see am. So I dey grateful. And yes, some of my fans they say, now we miss chance. Na lie. We miss, they miss. Okay, our keeper lose guard but give Sanchez is scorer. Their keeper lose guard but give Palmer and Misa. Every time I use for this team, we say we need 9 when they score goal. If we get national 9 where they clinical, we go win the match. So not people the error, na 9 where we not get. So maybe by January, maybe they buy a new 9. The 9 not just everywhere for the wing play well today apart from the 9. Because if we say that the chance say we lost, they lost. They lose guard, we lose guard. Just that they score their own, we miss our own. So I would rather say that the attack line, the number 9 not work. The wingers work, the midfielders work. If we defense work, our keeper self work. Because if we take one mistake, take us out. Because their keeper make mistake too. So our problem is say we not get central 9. Everybody work, even the coach work.
So for this game, they go well for Chelsea. But Chelsea manager Mauricio Pochettino, he can come out some players. You understand? Come up Hammer, come up Sterling. You think say those changes when he make affect this result for this game?
No. I would say not come out there for beat us because Palmer and Sterling not tired already. I would say leave Palmer and Sterling to finish the game. Therefore be like shots too. Therefore who beat us. So now the best he do is to make the changes. He try.
So how you see Pochettino tactics for this game?
Wonderful, it makes sense. The counter football, I really love her. Like I'll repeat it again. We not get 9. We go feel like score 2 for inside 3. The 9 oh God, maybe I say they go over the 4. If we get better 9, and they tell Podin Lukaku where we say if we get better 9 like this, at least all the chance if we score 1 now. Not be 9 where they run, they 4. So now the attack at the first of this game, not be anything.
So you know, say some weeks ago when I interview you, I asked you about Chelsea midfield. You talk say Chelsea get one of the best midfield for the world. How you see your midfield performance today against a team where come out second from the division for last season?
I love the midfield. There was a point I say when Chelsea hold the ball, they can't even put their hook. Arsenal was confused. We play Arsenal like Arsenal was Majesty. We play them confused. Now just that goal where they go score, they can't put fear for our body. They come back to the game. If not, you know now, from 17 minutes go back, we play them confused. They're not confident. They can't even play ball they go through.
So how you see Moses Caicedo and Enzo Fernandez performance for this match? Because these are 2 players when they sign with big money come Chelsea. And we hear some people talk about them when they sign this money, say maybe they know what the amount. How you see those 2 players' performance?
Without being told, when you see expensive thing and fake thing, you don't know. From the way that they hold their body pass, you go know it's expensive thing.
So original,
original, not the either. Fake na fake. If fake me feel that whole boy, when you see me feel that get control, get confidence. If you see what they get confidence on the boy, don't say yes, now money they talk so. So I'll still tell you, we play nice game. Now that's why I put on mind come from house. But the truth be say, maybe I will say on cook today for good. But we really need striker. I don't tell you this one. I say Jackson. If not for wing, I believe for wing. But if Jackson won't lead our attack. I don't tell you maybe wing. But for that attack, no, we need attacker.
So talking about attacker, so we need attacker. We dey hear some rumors. Now rumor we never know whether they concrete. Say Chelsea they are among the club when they put eye for Victor Osimhen because Victor Osimhen normally sabi boy Nigerian striker. You understand? We dey hear say according to the report when they from media say him never signed contract extension and the current contract go expire for 2025. How you dey see that link between Chelsea and Victor Osimhen as a Chelsea fan?
Without being told, we get the money. If we spend those money for Fernandez, but it's not go easy because Napoli not go sell Osimhen not less than 150 and above. So for you to fit collect Osimhen for there, you gats spend raw cash. But if the money dey, but rather I'll tell you say, mo no go spend money for wetin we get. E be like who get motor, e go dey buy wetin e no need. Bring Lukaku back. Forget the age. Make Lukaku dey lead. Make all the young striker dey learn from am. If you go buy Osimhen, how you want to dey Jackson dey Kuku? We get Broja, we get Jackson, we get Nkuku. When you buy Osimhen, how you want to them? Bring Lukaku. Make they play, make the young ones they learn from am. If you go spend big money for Osimhen, you go put time Osimhen, because Osimhen go come, competition go too many for am. If you go flop, bring Lukaku come. You just like we dey go spend money for it till we get. And they tell one of my guys, they say we don't need Lukaku. Now sentimental talk with that. Lukaku good. See international score a goal record. Apart from Ronaldo and Messi, nobody does score international goal reach Lukaku. How the boy won't play rich. So more not go spend money for it till we get. So we to go for Osimhen. Because in almost the same age with Broja and Jackson. If you buy Osimhen, you don't kill all these players career, they go move verse. Not what he promised before he signed them. Bring Lukaku make up and Lukaku make up play 1 or 2 years. Make the Jackson and the Broja learn from her. They get a lot to learn. Whether I believe it or not, Osimhen not be an experienced striker, but it's a score goal. If you need striker, I go feel lead to experience. We need Lukaku. So more not go waste that money, but not me be the owner. So if they get the money to spend, they spend that. But rather for me, I'll go for Lukaku.
So Chelsea next game now against Brentford for Premier League. What do you expect from the team after a performance like this against Arsenal, and what will be your score prediction?
2-0. We'll win that one.
So what do you expect from the team to do differently?
The only thing we play good. The only thing I want to learn be say it's not over until it's over. Now one thing we kill us today. Even when we dey win 2-1, we suppose draw the match. That goal the keeper spoil, so not be excuse. Even with 2-1, how many minutes we will not fit defend? We will not fit defend 2-1. From 80-something minutes to how many we will not fit defend 2-1. Now failure to the team now. So then they go give up. That's how they do for local boy, for street boy. If we don't hear 5 minutes remaining, we dey kick person leg. Because they go laugh us if we go lose guard. But you can't put anybody, but it's not over until it's over. I want to how many the team learn, that be that.
All right, now, Obama, thank you for your time.